From something like this, believe me, dude.
I don't want to.
Guys, you gotta talk to him and get him to go away. Seriously, you guys have a huddle or something. I'll just sit here. I'm not gonna do nothing. I ain't got no weapons on me. I'm fine. You just have a huddle or something, because this ain't happening.
I don't want it to go this way. You're picking it. You're choosing how this is how this outcome is going to occur.
Okay, look. Again, we're gonna go over the basic fact.
Why don't you just bring
me
your
my license is,
and then sue me later?
No, that isn't how it works, buddy. You don't kill somebody and then go, oh, sorry, oops. No, not anymore. It's over, guys. Go away, please. Please.
Right.
I have no reason for you to be here. I don't want you here. There was no cause for you to come here. You invited yourself into my life and are trying to steal from me alongside the road with weapons. Okay? This is called piracy and theft. Do you understand that? I wasn't breaking any laws.
I thought it was contracting a minute ago.
It's mafia shit. You're damn right. You got fucking guns and shit. What am I gonna do? You're throw me in fucking jail. Possibly kill me. Over what? Over me not doing anything illegal. I am traveling down this roadway.
Fairfield status.
If I was walking down this roadway, you'd have a right to ask me for my ID for what?
Okay.
Nothing, right? You're saying it's a motor vehicle. That's your reasoning. That's not a reason. This is not a motor vehicle. Somebody please look up the codes.
Okay.
No.
Are you done? Last chance?
No.
Okay, then you're coming up.
You're no. You're going away. Come on. I'm telling you, you're going away. Come on, man. No, hold on. This is nuts. Oh, this is nuts. Don't resist. Don't resist. I got to. We don't want to hurt you. Don't resist. We don't want to hurt you. Just relax. Let's go. Let's go. You motherfucker. We don't want to hurt you. Just relax. Oh my God. You guys are doing so bad. Oh my God. Oh my God. There you go. Dude, I can't believe you just fucked so Why would you break the law like that? Why? Why?
Gave you every chance, man.
You don't understand, dude. You gave me every chance to do what? To do what? To give in to your boringness and your corruption? And steal my money for a motor vehicle violation that I am not a motor vehicle. And this is a whole freaking fact point there, dude. Oh my God.
Hold woman.
I guess we had the whole police force, don't we?
Yeah, we're all going.
Cumberland Township. All the way from Cumberland Township. Who else we got here? Help, another Cumberland Township. Sir.
You get in my face again?
I didn't get in your face. I was looking at his back.
Way too close to me. Get that close to me again.
Yeah, well, you guys got me exposed right now. Thank you. Thank you. I hope you know you're breaking the law so now. Dude, you have no clue. You have no clue. I spent 6 years looking this shit up. You think you really think I'm that?
I'm spitting all over him. Chill.
Oh shit, you guys not my mask off. You're fighting my rights. Come on. I fucking fight for this country. Come on. Right. Son of a bitches. Oh my God. I can't believe you guys. I really, oh my God. Thank you. You just gave me a great platform. Oh my God. Oh, that's fucking stupid. Follow the law for once. Please. That would stop this shit.
Oh, see ya.
He was just jeopardizing my life.
You smell? Put the windows
Yeah.
down. Put the windows down. I'm sure you probably already know. He smells like he's been drinking.
Put the windows down.
I couldn't smell a thing. I didn't have a chance.
Pretty sure he's been drinking. I caught a whiff of it over down.
I guess.
I want to see. You got thrown or you good or something. I turned the video.
Wonder what's in there.
It's still,
Huh?
Sorry?
Yeah. I I could be wrong, but when we were down there, I thought I caught it. But with this thing on, who knows?
Yeah.
I'll crank the AC up for you. How's that?
Yeah, and the man that I just called was one of those who knows. Okay. Right down the street, Don Russell. You open, turn your hair. Hey, come here once, please. Come here. Close your face, come here. Hey, G. Can I talk to you, please? May I talk to you, please? No, I need to talk to you now, please. I'm really hot. Look, I'll put your fucking ID. You're not taking me to the fucking death zone. But I'm not check.
Hello again, everyone, and I thank you very much for all of your comments, likes, and your subscriptions. The more the merrier. This is just totally uncalled for. Could you believe how this domestic terrorist abused his privilege to violate my rights? If you'd like to speak up and redress these grievances to our government, please feel free to use any of the contact numbers provided for you, or any of them that you'd like to find in Carroll Valley, Adams County, Pennsylvania. I thank you so much for your participation, and please go to part 5. Thank you.